Good greetings, everybody. Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So, I'm going to be able to give you some more good messages. Great packaging. This came from the UK. And I'm excited about these. This is how they came wrapped. You've always had the power, my dear. You just had to learn it for yourself. I love that. I'm going to save that. Be careful taking it off. Matter of fact, I'm just going to cut it. Cut it out. That's a great message to start out with. Great. And there it is. And you have it on this package as well. You've always had the power, my dear. You just had to learn it for yourself. Yes, y'all. To the beat, y'all. I'm just opening up the package. And here are the cards. Oh, these aren't the ones that I thought they were, but these are cool. Dear future, I'm ready. Hey y'all, thank you for coming. Okay, it's these cards. Love these cards. It tells you which chakra it's associated with, what planet it's associated with, the number, and of course in the reverse or upright, and then if it's a yes or no or maybe. I love these. It's time to embark on a brand new beginning. So that's the Fool card. Yes, come through. Yes, I love these. Thank you for coming to help me help others. You got to talk to your cards just like they're your babies. They are your babies, so they should be your babies. At least that's what I think. Okay, so that was that. And then I have another new set. Look, I got 2 pairs of scissors. All right. These are the ones that I thought I was opening first. And they packaged this up really good to make sure they have tape all around. So let's see, how can I get, oh, there's a little opening. All right. Oh, and then they put them in another bubble bag. Okay. Oh, wow. Lovely. They gave me a receipt and a velvet bag. And then a, what do you call these bags? I can't remember. Not mesh. I can't remember because I ordered these bags. But anyway, I don't know why I can't think of what they're called at this moment. But here they are. Love these. We are really going to get connected. Hi, welcome. Thank you for coming. See the pretty colors and the... I love these. 2 wands. Ooh, we are really gonna get acquainted. Thank you and welcome. Where's the Fool? Oh, the major arcana are in the back of the deck for this one. So there's the Fool. Looks like a court jester. I love these. I feel like I should do a reading, but I guess I'll come back and do that. I just wanted to do the unboxing with you so that you see we have some great new messages coming your way. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.